Good morning, this is Paul coming to you from Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and today we're looking at a 2014 Chevy Silverado with a side conversion wheelchair accessible ramp that comes, a wheelchair accessible lift that comes off the passenger side of this vehicle. This is a Chevy Silverado crew cab, 2014, only 14,000 miles, 5.3 liter V8 engine. And I'm going to show you just with the click of a button here how easy it is. We've got Garrett here that's already in a wheelchair to show you how simple and easy it is. It's wheelchair accessible. This is a hydraulic converted wheelchair accessible. It's done right here, Battle Creek, Michigan at Freedom Motors. We've converted this from electric, the original conversion, into a hydraulic lift. This is only $39,995. This is a very, very low price point. Just like that, super easy. And then if you prefer, you have the option to transfer from your wheelchair into the original manufacturer's seat. Just got some casters here, which rolls right back into this and just locks right into place there. Pretty cool. Hydraulic, much more reliable. Once you get in here, you got the raise and lower. Just been refurbished here at Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. We refurbished it into a hydraulic side entry wheelchair accessible lift. Pretty cool stuff. If you're interested in a wheelchair accessible vehicle, please give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. That's 1-800-625-6335. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.